Hi guys, today I want to show you our new magazine for the Kral air rifles. It's available in 3 calibers, 177, 22 and 25. There are 2 sizes available. One is the mega capacity magazine, one is the standard capacity magazine. It's much easier to load than the factory magazine, so you just rotate the wheel and insert pellets one by one. You don't need to insert the last pellet backward like the factory mag. Alright, let's pick a 25 one because my gun is 25. It's inserting to the gun same way as the factory magazine from the right hand side. And the bolt, it's stopped on the last round. If I line up to the first pellet, the bolt can go in. Alright, thanks for watching.